So there was one question which was there in the group one, and that question was that whatever task I have taken or whatever goal I take in 5 week or in this also, how do I know that is okay? That was the question which came into the group one, which was there. Uh, for example, let's say if I take an example, if a goal that I want to improve my health, so how do I know that that is the right goal for me? So the most important thing which you will learn in week 5 is, or going beyond that is that goal or task linked to your long term goal? If it is not, then anyway you are going to give it up for sure. You write it down. If you just take one task for taking purpose, and if it is not linked to your life or your goal, whatever it, anyway you will give it up. So, for example, if health is there, now health is important, and one of my mail also have mentioned why health is important, because your attention, focus, and everything comes down if your health is not important. But this is not sufficient for my subconscious mind, which is trained for 15 years. मेरे को क्या होता है, मैं तो हट्टा कट्टा हूँ. So it is not sufficient for that program to reprogram. This whatever I said, it just overrules it. I want to continue on my health, then I have to link it to my long-term goal first, because health is the first thing which we should work. Then the life goal and everything comes into picture. So first what we should do is, we should connect it to our long-term goal and use the week 2 learnings. What would be the consequences if I don't work on my health? Give maximum pain to your brain. How will you die? You will die, your kidney is not working, somebody is taking care of your daily routines, nobody looking at you, you are smelling like horrible, and nobody is even coming and seeing you, are you alive or not? Is this the condition which you want to die? When that pain is given, very heavy pain, then the subconscious mind basically it changes very fast. Something happens in our life emotionally, then we change faster than the conscious mind, and that is the reason that giving the pain, connecting it to lifelong is important. So the question is, if you have taken 90 days task of your health, then and you have gone through that week 5, then whole your day has to be health. It cannot be only 45 minutes of yoga. If your goal for the next 90 days or 6 months is health, then everything has to be around health throughout 24 hours. So the way you walk, the way you talk, everything has to be linked to your health. Whatever you dress up, whatever you eat, what diet you do, that means in a day 6 to 7 hours you should be focusing on health other than your job. Right? So that is what it means by 90 days task. 90 days task means that is the task which I am living for. That's it. Nothing else. My daily living and my daily needs will be taken care of by subconscious mind, because it's already programmed. I will go to, even if I don't get involved, I will go to office, I will read mails, I will reply mails, I will react, respond the way it is happening like yesterday. I don't have to do anything. But my whole conscious efforts has to be towards the 90 days task, and that is health. So let's say if it is health and that is a 90 days task, then morning 2 hours, 3 hours of workout, whatever has to be done, to yoga, then expert which has to be done. If something evening you have to go and walk and do everything you have to do. And then you need to have that measurable power leaps. Are you going toward that direction? How do you know that your health is improving? What are your measures? How do you know it is improved? After 2 weeks, how do you know it is improved? So you can take help, no problem. But then that should be the efforts, and that should be the significance of that 90 days task. Okay. So with this you can correct, anybody can correct his goal. whether is that important. If it is that important, then it is for sure 90 days task, or it is a task.
Just a task.
Which may happen, which may not happen. We cannot achieve external results with poor action. There has to be external results, you need to have outstanding actions. If you have poor actions, no results. If you have average action, you will get poor results. If you have ordinary actions, you will get average results. If you have extraordinary actions, you will get ordinary results. You want outstanding, you have to have it.